Right guys, welcome back to Motorsport and Performance. Today we've got something a little bit special for you, but what we're doing on the car isn't that special. I want to make it clear that if you're doing a wheel alignment on a 1100 brake horsepower Liberty Walk Nissan GTR, it's just as important as doing it on your 90 brake horsepower Nissan Duke daily. So let's get into it and see what's going on with this car. Right, so I've just spoken to the customer and he did say when it came in it drove like Right, so I've just spoken to the customer and he told me that whenever he's driving it and he's putting his foot down, the back end just feels so unsteady, unplanted. It's just not stable at all, and this is why. So this is your rear toe. What's actually happening here is, in exaggerated terms, your rear wheels are pointing out like that. So when you accelerate, your back end squats. It actually causes more toe out, which is why rear wheel drive cars mostly come with quite a bit of towing. Like Mustangs come with 7 minutes from stock, these come with 3 minutes towing from stock. But when you're raising the power, you're going to squat even harder if your springs and suspension aren't uprated and stuff. So you tend to just compensate a little bit for that. So when you do squat, you're more at zero, so you're going straight forward, whereas this, it's literally trying to drift itself. Them rear wheels are trying to steer out, so we've got to sort that out and then sort this camber out, because the camber's way off for some reason, like it's 1 degree outer side. So after we finish with this alignment, we won't be having to fight with the rear end anymore, and it should drive how it looks. Right, so we've just got the rear end set up, and if you look at that now, that's perfect. So we've got some towing, we've got 5 minutes of towing, so a little more than stock, because obviously it's a double power car, it's going to squat harder, etc. So we're just compensating for that. It's going to keep it in a nice straight line when it plants that foot to the floor. And then we've also got an even amount of camber on the rear, bearing in mind that that is a lot of camber. It is quite a lot, not the most I've ever done, but something like that to a normal car is just like unheard of. But this is a Liberty Walk car, we've got to bear in mind them wheel arches and so on, but that is going to give good grip, but it is a stance car, so we're going with that. So I've just got to tweak the front end, and then the customer's going to take it on a test drive with you. In a 1100 brake GTR and see what he thinks. It is a bit wet outside though, so bring your nappy. Right, so the car's now all set up. Chan's going to take you out in it to see what you think. Let's go.
I've never been in a GTR, so this is going to be cool. Very interesting.
Oh, it's not clicking. I had a little click, I had 1, but before there was 4, so we got rid of 3. Sweet, see you in a minute. The steering wheel feels so much lighter.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet. So, clicking's gone?
Clicking's gone. Steering feels a lot lighter.
Yep. We've only just pulled out of the yard, so...
You can just tell, like, I knew what it reacted like before. It was horrible.
So give us a little quick rundown. What's this GTR all about?
So, import GTR, bought from a friend of ours who'd imported it. It's obviously seriously powered.
Yeah.
Fell in love with it because Liberty Walk. It was a Liberty Walk, and I'd not seen many of them about. Had a good deal on it, so I couldn't refuse it.
Yeah,
so
man.
Now it's with us.
Yeah. So 1,000 brake horsepower.
Just short of on a daily, yeah. On race fuel, it does run over 1,000, yeah. But on map 3, it only runs 810 daily.
Yeah. Wow. Still a lot though.
Still a lot of power, yeah. Still a lot. Still have a lot of fun in it.
Yeah.
Steering wheel straight, the car going straight. Wow. Awesome.
So far, so good.
Amazing. Like, such a big difference. You don't realise, like, just the fact that the steering wheel sat straight is doing a massive thing for me, mate.
Yeah.
And the wheels are not fighting each other. The car isn't fighting to pull into different directions. Like, you point it, it goes.
That's
Before, it was literally fighting and pulling in different directions.
I bet you must snap some necks with this car. Everyone must go like, whoa.
Stop it over there.
Guys, we've not even properly gone for it yet, and this is crazy.
I'll show you the roll and launch feature. So, cruising speed I usually do around 35. Locking your speed.
Yeah.
Flooring.
Oh my god. I bet them flames are huge, aren't they? Oh my god. Not expected that. This is dangerous, mate.
This is what I mean. You touch the throttle wrong, it's gone. Like the car, that's traction on. Like, I never touch the traction.
Mate, you've got to be ready.
Gotta be ruthless with the car.
Ready. You know? I was holding my breath. Right guys, so I've just come somewhere a little bit quiet because Dee's tuning and the fans are going off, but yeah, we're back here at Motorsport Performance. It was an unreal experience. Apologies if I was a little bit quiet in the car. As you can understand, I've never been in a GTR, let alone a 1000 brake horsepower GTR, so yeah, I've finally got my breath back a little bit, and he was really happy with the work that Teddy has carried out today. So Teddy, man, yeah, he was buzzing with it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so the alignment was really bad, as he knew, but he's been let down by other companies, he's been messed about by other companies, so he's come here and he's left within like, I'd say how long did it take? Like 2 hours with filming and stuff, so yeah, normally that'd take an hour, and as you'll see in the video, he's absolutely over the moon with it. So yeah, happy guy. So I want to just give a shout out to Ash Performance and Champ and all them guys down there. Thank you for letting us work on your car. Hopefully see you soon.
So as always, you know the drill. If you like the content, and I hope you like the content, make sure you are subscribed, you share, like, comment. It helps us grow the channel. We look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.